Hey guys, welcome back to another Costco haul. Today is Costco and a little bit of Sam's Club. I normally don't shop at Sam's Club, but I feel like I should start because we have a membership. I split it with my best friend Bia, so it's only like 20 bucks a year for us, and they have some really great deals there. They actually tend to alternate what Costco doesn't have on sale, Sam's does. So just a few things from there, but walking through the store, I was like, dang it, I should start shopping here. It's not a huge haul, but it was $260 at Costco and $83, I believe, at Sam's. So $340 between the two of them. I did get some stuff to donate to the girls' school. They have a father-daughter dance tomorrow, and so that was like $40 of it, but still $340, Costco and Sam's. Let's jump right in. Okay, starting over here, the Fila shoes were on sale for $15.99, I believe. So Andres had bought a pair when we went to Costco the other day, and I shared on my vlog channel. Within the vlog, I shared the Costco haul. He picked up a blue pair, so they had gray. He picked up another pair of gray, and then a backup pair of blue. I mean, if you can find decent shoes for 16 bucks, I say pick them up. So he got two of those. We got a case of water. We like to have that outside in the outside fridge for when we have company. So we picked up those things. Oh, heavy. The Kirkland canned chicken breast was on sale, I think $7.99 or $6.99. It was a few dollars off, so we picked up two. We like this. The girls like having chicken salad with it. I cooked with this brown rice the other day, and it's 5 points for half of it, and I just mixed it with some ground turkey or ground chicken with some pasta sauce and stuff, and it was really good. It's a nice way to get your whole grains in without being super bad. So picked up some more of those. Picked up some more sparkling waters. I love these things, and they're 0 Weight Watchers points. Picked up 2 bags of the blackened chicken breast. I want to say this was $9.99. Such a great deal, and it's 3 pounds. So we picked up 2 of them because Andres really liked them, and he tends to go through stuff a little bit faster than I do. So it is 3 ounces, 110 calories, and it's 0 Weight Watcher Smart points. The Classico sauce is half a cup for 3 points, and I think this was on sale for like $6.99 or something, $5.99 I think for the 3 containers, so I picked that up. Chickpeas with sea salt. I've never tried these before, but I've heard that they're good. You can have an ounce, which I don't know what serving size that is, or like how many you get for that. I think for 3 points. Pretty good. So we needed more taco seasoning. I picked up that. We needed some more sea salt. Andres wanted to get the fajita seasoning. He's making his mama juana from the Dominican Republic. He already bought the anejo rum and the red wine. He needed some raw unfiltered honey to go in it, so we picked up that for him. And every time we go, I've been looking for the Better Than bouillon. This one is a reduced sodium organic. It's a beef base that goes good, like you can cook it into anything. So I'm curious, I don't know how many, I would guess it's probably a couple of teaspoons for 1 point, but for soups and stuff like that, I really wanted to try it. I think it was $5.99. 2 more things of the Sara Lee Delightful Bread. It's cheaper at Costco and at Sam's, so I picked up another 2 pack. I'll use one now and put one in the freezer. These roll-ups for half, which is, or 1 perforation, which is half of this. So good enough for 1 sandwich is 2 points. So I picked up some of those. Their strawberries were a pretty good deal at H-E-B the other day. I paid like $3.50 for a pound of strawberries, and we blew through it like that in 1 meal. So I think this was like $5.20 for 2 pounds at Costco. The girls, I totally forgot to pick this up the other day at H-E-B. They're completely out of fruit cups for their school lunches. So I picked up cherry mixed fruit and mandarin oranges. They're not typically cheaper at Costco, but I won't be going back to H-E-B for a while, so I just needed to pick them up. Blueberries, they were a fairly good price at Costco. Red grapes, literally just bought them at H-E-B this past week, and they're already gone. So I bought a 4-pound pack. We go through grapes, we go through fruit really fast in this house, so I bought another one. We tried these the other day. They're the Laughing Cow cheese dippers. I don't know how many points. I didn't take time to scan them. Looking at the macros, I would think that they're 3 points, somewhere around there. But it comes with little like breadsticks and the cheese, and it was super good. So we bought those for us and for the girls for their lunches. I got this from Sam's, the chicken bites. I heard that these taste just like the Chick-fil-A chicken bites. So we'll see. I want to say it was like 4 points or something for the serving. So I picked up 2 bags in case I like them, one for me and one for the girls. Some garlic, we were completely out, and it's by far cheaper at Costco than at H-E-B. And you get this huge thing. This thing usually lasts us like a year. It's insane. And it's good until May of 2021, which is nice. No one has ever told me that formula is cheaper at Sam's. They do not sell this kind of formula at Costco. They sell the Pro Advance, and Everly does not. She uses just the Advance. The Pro Advance actually constipates her. So this is a 40-ounce container, and it was $35. The 30-ounce container, and we usually buy one of these every like 2 to 3 weeks for her. So the 30 ounces is $32 and some change at H-E-B or Walmart. So for $2.50 more, you get 10 ounces more. That's such a great deal. That didn't click. I'll definitely be buying formula at Sam's from now on. So this container will probably last us close to a month, which is not bad. And that's mostly because I supplement, so she doesn't take 100% formula just yet. We're hoping to keep it that way, but I do still need it. So got that. The oranges, the Activia at Costco was on sale for $5.99, I believe, for a 24 pack, which is a great deal. This one comes with strawberry, vanilla, and peach. And then over here, the Rice Krispie treats are for the girls' school for the father-daughter dance tomorrow. That was from Costco. I wish I had bought them on sale. I didn't, but there's plenty in there. There's 60 bars. And then same thing for the cookies. They were $7.99 a piece. Again, I kind of wish I had bought this at Sam's because this was so $8 and $8 for 48 cookies. So that was 16 for $20, $19.99. I could have got an 84 pack large tray of cookies, but we went to Costco first, and when I saw it at Sam's, I'm like, dang it, I should have bought that one. It was like already put out in a platter, and it looked pretty for $4 more, and it was 84 cookies instead of 48. I was so bummed, and we don't live close enough to Costco that I was willing to take these back. And normally we would eat them here, but we have not. I can't even imagine how many points these cookies are, so we're not eating them here. I'm just gonna send them to their school and be done with it. The reason I went to Sam's in the first place was for the Body Armor Light drinks. This one comes with the blueberry pomegranate, orange citrus, berry punch, and peach mango. They're 20 of them in a pack. They were on sale for $16, which makes them about 80 cents a piece, which is really good. They're $1.24 a piece at Walmart, $1.39 at Target. Target has them on sale 10 for $10 right now. This is still cheaper. So I'm so grateful to one of my subscribers for sending me a picture of these. I ended up picking up 2 packs, so I've been drinking 1 a day, so this will tide me over for a month. The reason I've been getting these, by the way, the light is only 1 Weight Watcher point. The regular are 9 points for the whole bottle. So 1 is definitely better than 9. And I can totally fit that into my daily routine. It's a super drink. It has a bunch of it has some calories and some sugar, but it has a bunch of different vitamins and coconut water, good things for you and stuff. It's supposed to help breast milk, like up your breast milk. So we're trying them, and so far so good. So yes, I picked up those 2. So it was these 2, the chicken bites and the formula at Sam's. Everything else was at Costco. The Cape Cod reduced fat original kettle chips are 4 points for 19 chips. So I'm pretty excited about that. I picked up that because it was on sale. I got some, Andres actually wanted to try this, the alkaline water. I've seen a few people talk about it recently on Instagram. I don't know if this is just like a hot topic thing or what, but it's pH of 9.5, purified water, 18 pack of 30, almost 34 ounce bottles was $10. So I've never tried alkaline water. I much prefer spring, to be honest. So we'll see how that tastes. The Kodiak cakes, I love having this on hand. It is a protein, pancake, waffle, really whatever kind of base you want to make it, and it was on sale. I'm going to say it was $6.99 for the pack. So I always try and pick one up when they're on sale because they are expensive. The popcorn chips are 3 points for a bag, and they were on sale for $4.99. I've never tried these, so I'm excited to try them. And then the veggie straws were on sale. I still have about a half a bag from the last time I bought them, but they were on sale for $3, which is so awesome for this huge bag. And I'm gonna start letting the girls take them for snack. I don't think they've taken any of the ones that we have for snacks. So that was the Costco and Sam's haul. Pretty good, not that bad this time. We're definitely done grocery shopping for February. I spent $340 here and $360 at H-E-B, so we are about $100 over my budget, and that's okay. We're eating a lot better and have been doing Weight Watchers, so just needed to pick up some stuff. So this isn't too bad. A lot of it is like drink stuff. Some of it needs to go back in the car to go to the girls' school. I hope you guys enjoyed my Costco haul for the month. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you have anything specifically from Sam's, because like I said, I think I'm going to shop at Sam's a little more frequently, kind of split up my budget between Costco and Sam's to see how I like it. Let me know in the comments below if you love some stuff there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.